Hey, happy Wednesday, guys. Happy Hum Day. Hope you guys did great today, and you are profitable. For me, few hit and miss. So let's go through the market first. Overall, as I've been just beating around and letting you guys know, markets are strong. There is no really bias to go short. I mean, trend is up. Clearly, there is no panic in the markets yet. So long and strong. That's gonna be the motto. By the way, if you guys like the video, please subscribe and like the video. It's gonna keep me motivated to make more videos for you. Hopefully, you guys learn a lot from me. So overall, if you look on the spiders, the Qs, and the Dows, I mean, markets have pretty much trended up, right? Up 0.5% on spiders and the Dows, and Nas is up 0.6. So pretty strong across the board. Two names I traded. One was ADI. Now this ADI was kind of a tricky name. So as you guys know, I don't really trade full time. I trade part time, which means that whenever I see an opportunity during my daily commitments, I'll try to find a time to trade, whether it's right at the open, in the afternoon, or whenever it is. So ADI was a name which actually came up on my scanners in the morning, and I was looking for it to trade long, right? I mean, the trend is clearly on the long side, so my bias is going to be on the long side. Now, one mistake which I did was seeing the stock was up so much, I should have tried to trade it a bit more carefully. So let's see. So first, my bias was long, right? So if you look on this, $81 is this level. Um, when I saw this stock, let me see if we can do a pre-market chart on this one. Because 81 level, if you have stocks, which this actually doesn't show you the whole pre-market. But if you guys have charting software, if you look at the pre-market, $81 was the level where it was kind of hovering underneath it. And so my thought process really was if it breaks through 81, then chances are this stock can actually start to rip, right? So just when it went over 81, I took a position, and when it didn't hold 81, I quickly smacked it down at 80, 85. Now, once I saw this sideways consolidation, I was hoping for this to actually start. Once it came back over 81, I was hoping for this to start trending up. But you know what? It smoked me out. I mean, on 200 shares, 81.20 has lost like $200 on this one particular trade. So it had a move up, and then it just came crashing down, and I was literally down $275. So I was looking around for other name which I had on my radar. Thankfully, there was a name FOSL. Now, FOSL is a name which has in the retail sector. If you guys have been listening to the videos I've been making, retail sector is the sector to be getting the hell out of, right? So there was no surprise that some earnings and news came out, and this was actually gapping down, and I was hoping for it to trend lower. So the way I was looking to trade this stock was on the short side, right? So I had to go and find an opportunity to see if this stock is actually going to start rolling over or not. So I had some decent entries on the stock. Started 1846, took covers at 1816s, right? So when I shorted 1846, my bias really was as long as it stayed below these moving averages, I was going to stay short. Once it started going at 1816, then I started to take my covers, right? I mean, if you look at the lows over here, the lows pre-market was actually about 1815s. So as long as it stayed in the moving averages, I want to be short. And once it starts breaking the pre-market lows, if it doesn't break on a flush, which means it might actually start popping up, which actually happened. So those are the two trades which I took on ADI and FOSL. Net positive about $12, so nothing too great on it. Uh, but one name which I should have traded was AIG, right? AIG, if you look on the daily chart, I'm just trying to pull that up. So on the daily chart, this name had a shock factor in it, right? Under 63, everybody who was trying to buy over the $63 level was pretty much trapped with this gap down. Uh, Now AIG is a financial name. I don't really like to trade financials, so that's one of the reasons why I didn't trade it. But if you look at the 1 minute chart, the 1 minute chart is a pure great entry, right? Um, so once you see the break of this, the 62 13 or 15 level, whatever the level is this, I mean, you just started trending lower, right? So this was actually an easy name to trade, but having my biases towards particular sectors kind of let me stay out of it. So that's that for it. But overall, so far, pretty solid week. Hopefully, I'll try to grind it out for another 2 days. And I had some losses from last week, so we'll see what happens. So if there's any good names which pops up tomorrow, I will try to trade it and see what can be done. Once again, guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And tomorrow is a special day. I will try to do a pre-market scan for you guys. So if you are looking for a video to learn how to trade, how to find stocks using Finviz to find the pre-market gaps, uh, like and subscribe to the videos to my YouTube channel, and you will get to see how to do it. And that's it. Have a good day.